Did I do? I'm watching you too, Betty.
Are we ready? Switch up a little bit. Make sure you're right in the center. Here, turn so you're holding on to these two. There you go, like that. Cross your legs.
Hold on. Hold on.
Now let me go. Let me go.
I'm running!
We don't have any trees to put them by. Alright. Why don't you try and sit on it this way? Try to go to the front.
I want to see her lay down on her belly and do it.
Yeah. Try it.
Oh, be like flying, like Supergirl.
Yeah, that would be awesome, Ireland. Will you do it the next time? She said she'll do it the next time.
All right. Not me, not me. Hang on. Ooh, ow, hair.
Push it up to Mommy. Push it up there. Can you give it to Mommy?
You are so weird.
We gotta get you in a dance class.
Yeah.
We gotta talk to Daddy.
I think so. She's gotta get some of that energy out. Hey.